Verifying your identity on American Express can sometimes be challenging, especially if the initial verification fails. Follow these steps to successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Gather required information. Collect all necessary personal information, including your social security number, account number, and any recent transaction details. This information will help you prove your identity. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number found on the website or on the back of your card. Explain your situation and request assistance with the identity verification process. Step 3. Use the online verification tool. Visit the American Express website and navigate to the identity verification section. Enter the required information as prompted. If your initial attempt failed, ensure that all details are accurate. Step 4. Submit additional documentation. If verification continues to fail, be prepared to submit additional documentation. This may include a government-issued ID, utility bills, or bank statements that confirm your identity and address. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any additional documentation, follow up with customer service to confirm that your identity has been verified. This may take a few days, so be patient and check back if you do not receive a response. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity with American Express. If you continue to experience issues, consider visiting a local branch or seeking further assistance through their official channels.